welcome to my channel, Homemade Taste in a Tiny Space. Today we're having a party with my bacon ranch cheese ball. Yum! If you take this to a party, your friends and family are going to be asking you for this recipe. In the comments below, let me know what they thought of it. Today our ingredients for our recipe is 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese at room temperature. Then we have 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 3/4 teaspoon of minced dried onion, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. And then you'll need 1 package of the ranch seasoning, 1 ounce size. I went ahead and fried up 10 pieces of bacon and put it in my food processor so it looks like this, finely grated. And it looks really nice when you put it on the outside of your cheese ball. I have 1/3 cup of diced green onions and chives. If you want to, you can just use green onions. And in this bowl, I have 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese, finely grated. And in these 2 bowls, I have 1 cup of finely grated cheddar cheese. And the reason why I have them in 2 bowls is because the 1/4 cup is going to go on the outside of our cheese ball. We're going to go ahead and just kind of stir up our cream cheese here a little bit. And we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Next, we're going to add in our minced dried onions, our garlic powder, our salt and pepper. Just dump it in there. And now we add in our package of ranch seasoning. And now we're going to want to mix this well until combined. Just want to thoroughly combine all those ingredients. And it looks like we have it. Now you want to add in 1/2 of your bacon because we're going to reserve 1/2 of it of our ball. And also you want to put in 1/2 of your green onion mixture because we're going to reserve that also for the outside of our cheese ball. Now we're going to add our 1/2 cup of finely grated pepper jack cheese. And now we're going to add our finely grated cheddar cheese, and this is 1 cup. So now, as you can see, we have these 3 ingredients left over for the outside of our cheese ball. So back to our mixture, we want to mix this well. This cheese ball is really delicious, so good. I took it to a party and everybody wanted the recipe. So it looks like we've got it pretty well mixed. Looks really good to me. And so what I'm going to do is clean up my space because, as you know, I have a tiny kitchen, and we'll get ready for the next step. Okay, what I've gone ahead and done is laid out some saran wrap so we can form our cheese ball into a ball. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Get it all out of there. This makes 1 big ball. Another thing you could do too is divide it into 2 and make 2 smaller cheese balls. Give 1 as a gift and save 1 for yourself. And now you just want to form your cheese ball into a ball. And just bring up the sides of your saran wrap. Just kind of form it into a ball as best as you can. pretty good. It's kind of hard to get it as into a ball because we're on a flat surface. And what I'm going to do is grab another bowl to place it in, to put it into the refrigerator, because you'll want to refrigerate this for several hours or even better, overnight. Okay, here are the items that we reserved in the beginning of our recipe. We have half of our bacon, half of our green onions and chives, and a fourth a cup of finely shredded cheddar cheese. And we're going to mix these together so when our cheese ball is cold enough, we can wrap the outside of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix these together. So they're ready for when our cheese ball is ready for our coating. It's gonna look so pretty, so nice, so appetizing, so good. Okay, we have taken our cheese ball out of the refrigerator, and I have went ahead and lined a cookie sheet with aluminum foil. And we're going to take our bacon, onion, and cheese mixture and line our foil. Spread it out. Because we're going to roll our cheese ball into the mixture. All right. Now we're going to unwrap our cheese ball. Guess I should have put on some gloves. You can wear gloves when doing this. You can roll it around or just kind of pick it up and drop it in there and pat it in if you want to. I find it easier to do that than trying to roll it around in the mixture. Just pat it in there. As you can see, it sticks pretty well around the sides. We'll kind of want to lift it up. You can see it's got the bottom. I like this method better because, as you can see, I'm just pressing it down in there into the cheese ball. Looks good to me. There you have it, our cream cheese bacon ranch cheese ball. Hope you try it. It's very delicious.